Introducing Ymage. Unlock the future of image editing with our AI technology. Spotted something unwanted in your photo? With Ymage, simply draw over it and click Remove to instantly clean up instantly. Transform scenes into unique styles. We've got this. With Reimagine AI, effortlessly convert scenes into distinct styles. Missing that bokeh blur. No depth, no problem. Simply point, click, and generate a new portrait. With stunning depth blur, our Ymage has over 20 advanced features seamlessly integrated into a user-friendly interface. Stuck on drawing? Ymage has your back. Simply fill your imagination into the text box and watch as we turn it into a unique artwork within seconds. Let your imagination run wild. Set up with plain QR codes. Experience QR code AI, enhancing them into visually stunning images, injecting creativity and allure into every code. Here you go. The new AI architect is here. Snap a photo of your space, input your dream design, and watch it come to life in an instant. Wrap life into black and white image. No problem. Ymage can do it for you.
Wow, it's so vibrant!
And more features await you. Inpaint AI. Clothify and hairstyler. Reignite. Enhance clarity and vibrancy of low-light images. Struggling with background clutter with our background removal tool. Effortlessly clean up your image in seconds, leaving only what matters most. That's all. Not yet. Lastly, introducing the world's first mobile AI camera. Capture and transform images with innovative AI styles. Ymage, your all-in-one AI toolkit. What are you waiting for? Faster get it from App Store or Google Play Store. Unleash AI creativity, edit seamlessly, and transform effortlessly on Ymage.